Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place so the update won't fail. Connect the fingerprint reader to power and network. Make sure battery is above 50% or keep it plugged in. Once connected, export and save all fingerprint templates and system settings to external storage or cloud for rollback. Next, download the vendor-signed firmware and the official update utility. You need the matching model and version to avoid incompatibility. Now launch the update tool and proceed to validation steps. You now validate integrity to prevent corrupt installs. Check the firmware checksum or digital signature and compare it to the vendor's value. If it doesn't match, stop. Once validated, follow vendor steps to place the reader in update or maintenance mode. This prevents accidental operation during flashing. Start the update utility and select the correct firmware file. Begin installation. While it runs, monitor percentage progress and logs. Make sure you do not disconnect power or network until the utility reports completion. Once the installer finishes, reboot the device so new firmware initializes cleanly. After boot, run the device self-test and enroll 1 or 2 test fingerprints to confirm sensor calibration and matching quality. This verifies the update worked. If you use networked authentication, restore configurations and templates from your backup and confirm user access logs look normal. If you encounter sensor errors or boot loops, immediately roll back using the saved backup image and reboot. If problems persist, contact vendor support with logs and checksum info.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.